What's up, you guys? So today I really wanted to show you 3 recipes that I love. They all have the same ingredient in all of them, and they're all different.
I try to change for you, but you stay the same.
So it's cottage cheese. I use 1% for half a cup is 100 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 16 grams of protein, 6 grams of sugar, and only 7 grams of carbohydrates. So for the pumpkin cheesecake, what you're going to need is you're going to need a half a cup of cottage cheese. You're going to need cinnamon. You can put as much or as little as you like. You're going to use pumpkin pie spice mix. The light is reflecting on it. Pumpkin pie spice mix. And then you're going to use just like a 1/4 cup of protein powder. You can choose probably vanilla. This one is cookie dough ice cream because that's what I had. I also have for my vegan plant-based friends, I use this too. It's vanilla. It's called Vegan Freak. Vanilla. So you can use a 1/4 of that too. I only use this one because if you're eating dairy, you might as well add dairy to it. And then it adds sweetness to it. So I add it to add sweetness. Then you guys, I add half a cup of pumpkin puree. Just pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling, just the plain pumpkin. And when you're done with it, you can put in a container and put in the fridge because there's so many other recipes you can use for pumpkin, which is so good for you. All right, you guys, so you're gonna put it all in your bowl, in your blender. A little tip, you're gonna put it all in, is you may have to add a little bit of almond milk or a little bit of liquid because it does get quite thick. All right, so you're gonna blend it up. All right, you guys, it's all blended. I've put it in the bowl, and just like that. It's thick, but it's not too thick. It's just like perfect. You're going to add a little bit of pumpkin pie, just a little bit. I just like to put it on my hand a little bit before I put it in. Sprinkle it on top with a little bit of cinnamon. I'm going to add a tablespoon of granola. Put it on top with a couple pecans, just like that. All right, you guys, there you have it. That is my protein, or my pumpkin protein cheesecake. The second recipe that I'm making is creamy protein mac and cheese with bacon. So good, I know, sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? I'm using cottage cheese, I'm using the 1%. I'm gonna add a cup of cottage cheese, a little bit more into here. All right. All right, you guys, the next thing I'm gonna use is Annie's white cheddar cheese mix, but I'm not gonna use a lot. I'm just gonna use about a tablespoon of it, okay? Not even. I'm gonna put it in the cottage cheese. So you guys, the macaroni that I used for the mac and cheese is called macaroni. It's red and white quinoa. It's gluten-free. It's vegan friendly. Per 3/4 cup dry, 85 grams. It's 230 calories, 1 gram of fat, 69 carbohydrates, minus the 6 grams of fiber, 60 carbohydrates, 1 gram of sugar, and 8 grams of protein. Low in sugar, high in protein. Here, that's what it looks like. Sorry guys, I'm not the best food video maker, but I just wanted to show you. Then I toss it all in there. Then you guys, you're gonna top with some bacon bits. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon And that's 1.5 grams of fat, only 25 calories, no carbs, and 3 grams of protein. So 1 tablespoon. Fry. There you have it, you guys. Bacon, creamy mac and cheese, clean girl style, clean, fit. All right, you guys, now for the final recipe that has a 1% cottage cheese in it is my favorite cookie dough ice cream, protein ice cream. Okay, you guys, so how you make it is you need 1 banana, you need half a cup of cottage cheese, and you need half a scoop of cookie dough ice cream protein powder by Beyond Yourself. You're gonna put it all in a blender. You're gonna blend it really good. Then you're gonna put it in a cup and put it in the freezer for 4 hours. Once you're done that, you're gonna have a good fatso bar. This one is cookie dough. You're gonna open it, and you're just gonna use about a quarter of it to take your ice cream. All right, you're gonna take this. You're gonna take the cookie dough chunks. You're just gonna place them in here. A little bit of the fatso bar, not lots. Some for the top. All right, are you guys ready? And there you have it. Cookie dough ice. And there you guys have it. We've got cookie dough ice cream